Hello everyone, continuation to the previous session. Today we will discuss swap space. In AIX it is called paging space. Let's see what are the different names for paging spaces. In AIX it is a paging space, virtual space or virtual memory, logical memory and swap space all are same. What about the physical memory? We called RAM. Physical memory, real memory, memory, primary memory, resistant memory. This is the alternate names for the RAM. So now, what is the paging space? Why we are using paging space? In older days, the physical memory cost is too high. So we use paging space. What happened in paging space? For example, this is a RAM. It's a 512 MB. Let's assume our OS will take almost 50 to 60% of RAM remaining for the applications. The applications are maybe anything Java, Tomcat, JBus, WebSphere, whatever, and databases also, or kill DB2, whatever. For example, if a new process is going to load into the RAM, so there is no space in the RAM. So in that situation, that process which is not in active, so that process is moved into the paging space. For example, ABC process is not working, so that process is going to the paging space. After a new process is work and completed, then again it come back to the previous same location. So the process of the process is coming from the RAM and sit into the paging space is called page in, and come back to the physical memory, it is called page out. LSPS is a command to see paging spaces. Here 512 MB size. LSPS-S, it shows only 512 MB, 1% is currently used. The default paging space here HD6. Here it will not shown. Why? Because it doesn't have any mount point. Now, how to create a paging space? M- mkps is a command to create paging space. Hyphen A means it's automatically start when machine reboots. Hyphen N. N means activate immediately. Hyphen S. S means size of LPs. How many? For example, 2. Then VG name, PV name. Now paging 00 is created. How to see? LSPS hyphen A. It's created. It's active. Auto means when power VM got rebooted, then it automatically on. So it's ready to use. 64 means 32 MB is the P size. How to remove? rmps is the command to remove paging space. So before going to remove, we must off that paging space. Swap off slash div paging name. Now remove it's removed. Now once again, mkps hyphen a, I don't mention hyphen a, n, then s to big VG. lsps hyphen a. It's created but it's not in active. How to make it active? Using swapon is the command slash dev, name of the device lsps hyphen a, lsps hyphen s. So it's 64 is added here. Now we want to see that information where it stores slash etc swap spaces. So here HD6 is by default OS created. This is the now we created. Device is this one. Auto on checksum. Now I want to increase the size of paging space. chps s 3 or paging space is it's increased lsps s, lsps a. So see here 160 MB. Previously it's 64 MB. Now I want to decrease the size of paging space. chps d means decrease how many pps. See here what happened. lsps a, our paging space paging 00 is still exist, but here what happens? Here temporarily paging space pg01 is created, then removing the paging 00. Paging 00 is recreated with new size. That means the entire 160 MB I'm going to reduce. So instead of that, it's created 160 MB. So how many LPs? So here 32 into 5, 160. Now I am going to remove 2 LPs. So minus 32 minus 32. So 96 paging space size paging 01 is created, then removing the paging 00, after that renaming that paging 01 to paging 00. Now it's a by default it's a active. When system got rebooted it automatically variant. I want to change chps a n paging 00 lsps a, sorry here. Now paging 00, that name I did not mention here, so I want to mention my own paging space. This is the another way to create paging space. mklv y lv name my paging hyphen t, type is paging hyphen a, a means interrupt policy, whatever you want. I don't mention here. Big VG, number of PPs, for example, 4, H disk 2, lsps -a. Paging is created my paging, but here it's not active, not auto on. So how to change chps -a y, this auto, it should be yes. Yes, lsps -s, total size. So here the size is not get the button, so it's not active, so we need to make it active. Swap on slash div slash this one lsps -s, lsps -a. So I want to remove this one. Swap off swap off slash div lsps -a. Now rmps lsps -a lsps -s. In older days, the real memory size is multiple of 2 is the swapping space. So nowadays, no one is using that formula. If swap space is too low, we got the error cannot fork new swap space. So this is the error. And one more point is a paging space cannot create multiple physical values because anything goes wrong. So it's not no paging space. Only one paging space for disk